Hello, I'm Jason at Season Cookshop, and today we're going to be playing with scrambled eggs. We started by thinking we sell stainless steel pans. This is a Season tri-ply pan, but a lot of people are confused with these about what you can and you can't cook on them. Usually the thing that strikes the fear of God into people is scrambled egg. What we're going to show you is that you can actually cook scrambled egg on one of these. You just need to be a little bit more careful. You need more heat, you need to preheat the pan first, and you need more oil, but it is possible, as we'll show you. We're going to show you the difference as well with cooking scrambled egg on a non-stick pan, because there's a way that I cook my scrambled eggs. I stole off Michel Roux, I have to admit. That produces wonderfully creamy scrambled egg every time. Each method, the steel and the non-stick, will produce quite a different consistency of scrambled egg. So it's a question of preference between the two. We're going to do my favourite topping for scrambled egg, which is mushrooms. And with a little care, the mushrooms on scrambled egg can be elevated to something really delicious. So I hope you enjoy it. Let's get cracking. So this method, it's pretty firm in places, but it's still got a bit of run to it in places. It's delicious. It's almost kind of, I would say, half scrambled egg, half almost omelette-y in places. Particularly if you like your eggs, reasonably firm, this is great. The method of cooking scrambled eggs in a non-stick pan, it's all about timing. And where I used to go wrong is I would get my eggs to about the perfect point, and then my toast would be done, so I'd butter my toast, and by the time I'd buttered my toast, my eggs would be over. So everything needs to be ready when you're doing scrambled eggs. Toast needs to be ready, everything else, mushrooms, whatever. Absolutely key. I find the best way of having your toast ready is to do it on a griddle pan. That way you can rub butter over the toast or brush it with oil, stick it on a griddle pan. That will be cooking while your eggs are cooking, and when your eggs are done, you just take the toast off, put it on the plate, stick the eggs on top. That's my tip.